like I was saying, if you're going to make a crayon candle, you want to break off the top of it, okay? And then just hold lighter. Then here we go. See that? There you go. And just set it down. And hopefully it stays balanced. Well, as long as you got something to balance it in, right? Here we go. I'm just going to use that roll of tape. Ta-da! And there you go. That's how it works. Welcome back to SOS. I'm BA.
Man Cup.
Alright, and Man Cup's with me. So, this is a mystery kit. And, you know, I put kits together and I set them in glove boxes and random places. If I ever got stranded, if this family ever got stranded somewhere, there would always be something in our vehicle to survive because I make so many weird kits. All right, looks like we have a red rock bag, and this, I think I made a video about this a couple of years ago. I'm not sure, and if so, this is kind of an update. It was chilling in a glove box in our car. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what was inside of it.
It was a long time ago.
Long time ago. All right, so we got Mre Components here. We've got some cheese spread. Ooh. I like going back and seeing the kind of stuff I would create a few years ago.
Cheese.
That is good. This is the good stuff. That's the stuff. Now, this isn't jalapenos cheese from the MREs. The jalapeno cheese was always really good, but that's a good cheese spread.
I like that good cheese.
Cheese spread's good. All right, that's the chocolate bar.
Yeah.
We got the First Strike.
Chocolate bar.
This is good.
Chocolate
Hey,
bar.
these are really good. Chocolate bar.
I like
the
that.
First Strike. That's right.
Like that.
I love the name of these things. First Strike.
Chocolate bar, First Strike. That's what I said.
All right, man, I must have been on a chocolate kick. Babe, you want to tell me something?
You're on a chocolate date.
Touch my chocolate.
Was that the reason why I made this kit all chocolate? Because
yes.
It had something to do with you, right?
Oh yeah.
All right, chocolate. This is the dairy shake powder, and these are really good.
Of course they are.
All right, what else we got?
You can use them anytime you want.
What's this?
Awesome.
Oh, tortillas.
Yeah.
You know you like tortillas. I don't want to hear it.
I don't want to hear it either.
All right, got a spoon?
Yeah, it's food.
Are you just gonna talk every time? You hear him over here.
Why do you?
All right, what's this? You like this, Charlie? That's Tuna Creations lemon pepper. That's the good stuff, right?
Oh no.
All right. All right. Let's see what else we got here. So that's empty now. Let's pull this. Pull this apart and see what we got.
It's food.
Oh, that's cool. I don't think we got any more food, Charlie. All right, let's set this over here.
Oh, that food was so great.
Here, I'll set that right there. All right. We got there's an Ozarks rain poncho.
Yeah.
We've got some components here. Got some, I think that's coffee and some creamer and hand sanitizer or hand wipes or towelette. And then you got your, well, it's a moist towelette, and we've got some toilet paper there. Oh, wow. I didn't know that's a good thing I opened this. It'd be a good time to start scoping this stuff out to see how bad this turned out. But we got, I remember this is a pace counter. That's right.
Ooh.
That was a pace counter. And this is a micro fishing kit.
I like that.
That's kind of cool.
Mm-hmm.
This is your water purification tablets.
That's still cool.
Yeah, these are your fire tenders, your tender wicks.
Ooh.
That's really neat. These are your strike anywhere matches. This is crazy stuff I used to come up with.
I like that.
This is there are 2 caffeine pills, and there are some, that's Aleve, and then I have some ibuprofen.
That's another good thing.
That's another good thing, yeah. And then, looks like I have a full med kit, full medical kit. We've got razors, gauze, we've got medical tape, we've got, wow, you got everything from towelettes to sting ointment to, we've even got some sunscreen and some more bandages, all kinds of stuff in this one. That's crazy train, man. It is just wild, the stuff that I come up with. Just,
I know, right?
that was so long ago too. All right, what else we got? I have no idea. Oh, cool, fire kit. Here we go. You got candles, which burn a long time. It's good for dry stuff out and for lighting. And there's some tinder wicks. And we've got sippy and some bubbles. The bubbles are not included in the kit. All right, so we got. Be careful now. Don't get this stuff all over his.
Hey, do me, Mom.
All right, so we got our lighter and stuff, and we've got some electrical tape and all that. So that's a little fire kit. And we've got a Mylar. This is your space blanket, emergency space blanket. And I remember these are the fold up portable water sources for carrying a liter of water. All right, so that got glow sticks. That's good. See me glow sticks. Looks like we've got our striker for a Cinium rod. Oh wow, I haven't seen one of these in forever. I wonder if it still lights. No, probably needs, and it's a solar charger, and there's the cord for it, and there's the solar portion, and that's the LED. It just needs some sunlight. I also have I took some mirror tape and put it on the back side here for a reflective surface for signaling. But this also light up once it gets enough sunlight. Let's go set that over here.
That's cool.
That is cool. There's a magnifying glass.
Yeah.
There's the magnifying glass and the
That's what I
compass, whistle,
want
and
that.
thermometer. The magnifying glass will get the fire started, right?
That's what I want.
You don't need that.
I like it.
You got all that stuff in your bag. You don't need that. All right. There's a expandable towel, and these towelettes are they go out really huge, about the size of a bandana. These are great. They don't take up very much room, and they're reusable. You can wash them. You can dry them back out and reuse them over and over again. These are great. The UST towels. And this looks like a cheap, this is one of the cheap, I think $2 or something for a knife like this. It's like $1.50, $2, something like that. But it's just a standard knife with the clip. And these are like Ozarks Trails type knife. And then I've got the Ozarks Trails. It looks like I got a commando saw too.
That's what I like.
Of course, you like all the little gadgets.
I like those things.
Yeah, you like all the little gadgets. So I've got a camp saw and this is a sharpener. So you got a sharpening stone, and
is that a wallet?
No, this is just your standard. That was like your survival tool, one of your survival tools from back in the day. Everybody's still kind of using it, and I know there's a specific name for it. I'm sure somebody's going to correct me and tell me what the name of it is.
That's cool.
I'm trying to setting this stuff out a little bit so folks that are they're trying to figure out what's on the table, they can kind of see what's on the table there. All right, so here's your cheap Ozark. Now I think they've upgraded these along the way, but these multi-tools work great. They're spring-loaded, and you've got everything from a file to a flathead Phillips. You even have an awl in here in case you need to do some stitching, some sewing up. And you've got a nice saw style blade there, and you've got a lanyard, and you've got your can opener. These are super affordable. I kind of do these kits like this because it's just to show folks that you could be prepared on a really tight budget and do things like this. I mean, altogether it's probably 20 bucks here, or maybe 25 bucks. Yeah. But not including this. I'll get to the pan here in a minute, but you got a can opener, you got a Phillips, and so you got your Phillips and your flathead. You have a regular blade here, and all in that little.
That's what I like the most.
It's pretty cool stuff, man. There's that, and then this baking pan right here. I mean, this will work great to get you through a situation. You need to boil some water, cook some food, or whatever. This will get you through so you can boil water. And with all the tablets and stuff, you'll be all right.
How much stuff do you use?
That's pretty cool little kit, and pretty easy to put together. Something like this. I'm just kind of going back through some of the stuff that I have stashed, and this is one of the mystery items I just found in the trunk of my car. So hope you guys enjoyed it. You're watching SOS. I'm BA. All right. Have a beautiful, fabulous, fantastic day. Rainbows and unicorns. God bless. Take care.
Yep.